So it looks like we're keeping the beat, at least for now. Reason being, well, we had a buyer on it and he just stopped responding. And that is very fitting with most, well, human beings. So we're just going to keep on keeping on. Today we're going to be doing the air filter, not for the cabin, for the actual engine itself. So we're going to fix all that right now. You know what, while I have it, while I'm doing this and I'm all dirty, I'm gonna do an oil change. It has been a little bit since I did one. I remember last 6 months ago, I just put a cycle of whatever oil in there. Now I'm gonna do an actual proper oil change with a proper filter and just really make sure it's up to date. There's actually, thankfully, two ways you can change the oil on this car. Number one is through the engine bay, which is down there, halfway through the middle of the car, basically. But you actually can change it from here. Dipstick is there, and you can change the oil and fill it from there, which is very, very helpful, because to get the engine cover off, it's not like popping the hood. It takes like 20 minutes. So yeah, we're not gonna be doing that. This car takes 2.5 liters or 2.7 with a filter. So they sell liters of oil in threes. We're gonna stick with this one for now. While we're under there, we're also gonna juice up any part that moves just to make sure everything is copacetic. Take this opportunity to show you guys, there is not a speck of rust on the body of this car. Look at that. Look at that. Seriously, man. I'm not even joking. Look at that. No leaks by any of the seals. Absolutely nothing. For 31 years. Wait a minute. 1991. Jesus. 34 years. Come on. Shoot. Whoa, that was not threaded very much. Holy crap. 17. There you go. Metal, seriously. All right. You know, while we're already here, I do have some tranny oil. It is the exact thing I need, 75W85, and I need 1.3 liters of it for a full mapping of where it is. Back of the car, you go under, and then here is the Honda engine, and that's where you fill the oil for the engine. Now, because this is a front-wheel drive car, at the back, the engine and tranny are going to be next to each other. So that'll be the drain plug. Never take the drain plug off first, because if you take the drain plug off and you can't fill it, you're screwed. Fill plug is right there. So it's about 1 finger length apart. Always remove the fill first and then the drain. Hope this doesn't drip on me. I love these bolts or screws, whatever, or just caps or whatever you want to call them, because they use a wrench and the wrench just goes on there, which is super helpful. Super helpful. So that way's tight, that way's loose. I'm gonna loosen this up. Might have to hit it. Hey, okay, that's it. So, wow, that for 34 years, a 34-year-old car, honestly, pretty trouble-free. Shoot. Oh, what the hell? I mean, looks pretty clean. And, uh-oh. Maybe I didn't need to do it. Am I missing something? Why is that so clean? Like, it's completely golden. Yeah. No one changed my tranny oil unless 2 years ago when it was sitting on the lot in the grass, someone changed it, because the whole time I had it, I didn't change it. This is the intake, outtake, intake, whatever you call it. In and out. $1.75, right? All right, so, yeah, again, this oil looks exactly like the oil I just took out. Okay, man, all right, finally. What the hell? There we go. Now, the final thing. The air box. Air filter. Smells good. Looks like... Yep, that'll fit. That took 27 minutes to get all this stuff done. Finding the bolts and everything, you know. I'm sure if I ever have to do it in the future, I'll know better, but it feels like it's all detached. I've never had so much damn problems with an air filter in my life. Holy crap. Here's the good one. Okay, let's see. Which way does this go in, go out? Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, right there. So this is gonna go, wait, where was that? There's the triangle. So it's gonna go in this way. No, I'm not seated yet. Nothing has been easy on this car. And I've done only 60% of what I did on the Cappuccino. That was, looks like I'm a coal miner. That was horrible. Just to give you a little bit of perspective that I'm not crazy. That's about as much room you have to work with. You're blocked by that. Even if you take that out, it's the entry gap is, you know what I mean? Like it's crazy, dude. Okay, nuts, man. I can't believe how long that took. And coming down from the blocks, ramps. Okay, and we're off. Let's just do a quick jaunt. See how it shifts and everything. I mean, it should be fine, but still. Got a whole bunch of new fluid in there. Did an oil change. Got the air box. Tranny. New wipers. Yeah, we're good. We are good. Oh, man, that was crazy. Seriously. That was, man, it's running really nice. You know, I mean, not because of that, but just in general, like, it's just amazing how, you know, you find something in a bush and you just take the time. All it is time and a lot of money. It's a lot of time and a lot of money I don't have to make this run right. It's a lot of time I don't have. I just want to show you guys too. I'm on an uneven surface. Say I park it here and I want to move it back. And roll it on back. Yeah, it's not a gag. I mean, this car is stupid light. This is probably the lightest car I've ever owned. You can literally move the wheel like a toy and roll it around, even on gravel. Oh, so that's it. We're done with a bunch of maintenance that I kind of needed to do on a very old car. Although, the weirdest thing, I crap you not, is the fact how the transmission fluid was clear gold fluid. I did have them bleed the brakes. That's the only thing I did when I took it into a shop. So unless they just took it upon themselves to do a free transmission oil job, I don't know how new fluid got in there. I swear to God. That's it. See you guys on the next one.